Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we're going to show you how I construct my rose bouquet commission and a boutonniere for a room. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our latest tutorials. If you like what we're doing, you can also join our not-so-secretive community on Patreon to get your free templates, link in description. The bride has very lovely bouquet. The groom also needs a boutonniere to match. We'll start with a boutonniere. Make a flower in 10 to 12 cm height and get some leftover bouquet greenery. Bend the head of the flower with a flat head. And we are going to use the tip of the eucalyptus. Give it a trim. We will have to take a few leaves off the bottom. Wrap a few leaves together with a strip of crepe paper or floral tape. Adjust the structure, then we can wrap everything together. Take out your ribbon again and add 2 drops of hot glue to the corners and fold it over. Add a line of glue and place it to the stem. Wrap a few rounds. Trim the ribbon and add a line of glue to the edges. Fold the opening in. And glue it back to the stem. I've seen people using hat pins to attach the boutonniere to their suit. To make it very easy to put on, I've sewed a safety pin to the back. I'm sewing with 4 threads together, and it can't be simpler in this sewing method. Start with a few stitches on the ribbon to secure your thread. Then we just need to sew the opening pin to the stem. Make sure you are sewing where the head is. And we are done. I've tried it on to my husband's jacket and it works. Now we will move on to the bride's bouquet. It might not be the best way, but it's my way to construct it. First of all, you will need to take out the paper flowers you have made, along with some greenery. Trim the wire of the flower into 20 cm and measure the starting from the base of the flower. Take out some green floral tape. We will start with 3 big roses. Wrap them together with the floral tape. Slide in a branch of green leaves in between the flowers. Adjust the height of the leaves. They should only be poking their heads out, not overtaking the flowers. Add more roses to fill the gaps of the first layer. Add another as a divider. Keep adding the flowers below the first layer. Remember, the second layer should be shorter than the first. Bend the heads of the roses when necessary to keep the bouquet in a round shape. Slide the leaves in occasionally. I think constructing a bouquet is like constantly finding the right position for the flower and make sure they fit in. Also remember, sometimes less is more. We don't need to add everything. at the end, wrap the wire all the way to the bottom. Trim off those extra links. Then we need to add a layer of white ribbon, so your bride won't end up with a very sticky hands. Add a bit of hot glue to the wire and place the ribbon on top, and then you can keep wrapping. Trim the ribbon off. Add a line of hot glue and fold the cutting in to get a better finishing. Stick it back onto the handle. Make sure the ribbon is slightly longer to hide the wire, and add a bit of hot glue as a finishing. I'm sure you can also wrap the bottom first, then do the wrapping, and you will have a closed base. Bow tie. trim the end of the ribbon and we are done. Now you're ready to fool your guests. It is made with real flowers. Thank you for watching our video and I hope you will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our latest tutorials. And all of our DIY kits and templates are available on our website. Check them out. See you guys next time.